to my channel. This is Unique Designs by Latanya. Today's tutorial is going to be on the dining room makeover you guys been waiting on. The whole dining room part two. I'm sorry it's been so long. I've been going through some health issues. I will have a video talking about it. I did put out 2 videos today, so you might see another video with my shirt, but it's something that I wanted to talk to you guys about because people that's my age probably think that we won't go through that yet. We are not in our 50s, but we're close to it. But it snuck up on me. I didn't know it was something that I was feeling fine, and I went, and it was just crazy. So I will have a video talking about that. I'm sorry this video is so long. I don't know if I'm gonna put that video out first or this one, because I know you guys been waiting a long time. But with that being said, thank you for staying with me, still watching my videos and sending me some people are sending me emails, some people are sending me little comments and stuff like, where are you, you haven't put a video out. I'm sorry, it's just I've been going through a lot with my health, and it's scary and it's bothering me mentally too. So if I'm not stable, I can't put out videos, and I don't want to fake it because that's not who I am. But thank you for all the support and everything. Thank you so much. But for all my new subscribers, thank you, and you're welcome to my channel. I am an entrepreneur. My videos are about pretty much some of everything. A lot of people like my tables escapes, my crafting. I am going to put a video out of things that you can go on my Etsy account and purchase. It's a whole lot of stuff that I does. And it's so relaxing. It helps me with what I'm going through with my health. Um, so thank you for tuning in. And if you like it, please comment at the bottom. For all my subscribers that have been rocking with me, we reached over 100 subscribers, and I am so happy for that. I mean, you guys just don't know. It's like my out that just made me so happy that I do have over 100 subscribers now, and it might not be much, but it is enough for me. I am very happy, and thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you like this video, please press your like button, comment, please hit that subscribe button, subscribe me, share my video, and please turn on your notification bell, because I am going to get out some more videos and stuff, because I know I have not been consistent, and I want to be consistent. I just got to get my health intact. I might not look sick, but I got to feel better for myself, so I can put the energy out there, so people know that even though you're sick, you still can believe in God, and make sure that you don't be stressed, because stress can cause a lot of stuff. So, but like I said, I will have a video on that. It's just me talking to you guys and everything, but I'm not going to prolong this video and not going to talk much. But I am going to show you what I did, finished up the blue, because I am about to change that. That's why it's been so long, but I am about to change that table escape and that dining room. So I am going to go ahead and put this video out so I can get the next video in on the next table escape. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch the video to the end. I know these videos are long, and some people, I try not to make them long, but some people I see have videos for almost 40 minutes to an hour. I try not to make them so long, but I see you guys enjoy it, so I will continue to put the videos out for you. And thank you, thank you, thank you once again. Thank you so much. But I'm going to turn it over to this video. Bye-bye. Thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. This is Unique Designs by Latanya. I thank you, thank you, thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video of the dining room. Sorry it's been so long since I got back to you guys, but I've been going through some personal issues, some health issues. I will have a video on that. Please check that out. I'll probably put that out soon. But thank you for tuning in. Hope you like this table escape and my dining room, my finished dining room of the blue. I will be doing another table escape because this has been the color for a while and I'm getting ready to change it out. So please stay tuned for that video. But I wanted to put the full video out of the dining room in the blue. And for all my new subscribers, thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Please turn your notification bell on so when the next time I put a video out, you will be notified. For all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I did reach over 100 subscribers, and for all those that subscribe to me, thank you so much. I am so blessed for this starting this new journey in my life, and I thank you guys for tuning in. But please share my video. So other people can see it that's relating to these videos. But to the next time, I thank you and see you on the next video. Bye bye.